Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoVenta. Today, we're diving into something that blends adventure, comfort, and Toyota's legendary reliability. The all-new 2026 Toyota camper van. This isn't just another van. It's a mobile home, a travel buddy, and a statement of freedom on wheels. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, or even full-time van life, the 2026 Toyota camper van has something for everyone. Let's explore what makes it so special. The design of the 2026 Toyota camper van is a perfect balance of sleek modern aesthetics and rugged practicality. At first glance, you'll notice its smooth aerodynamic silhouette, which doesn't just look stylish but also improves efficiency on the road. The bold front grille carries Toyota's signature look, paired with slim LED headlights that give it a futuristic edge. Its high roofline allows for standing room inside, and the extended wheelbase maximizes both living space and cargo capacity. The body is constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, making it easier to drive while maintaining strength for those off-grid adventures. Sliding side doors on both sides provide easy access, while the rear double doors open wide, perfect for loading gear or enjoying an open-air view from your mobile living room. Available in a range of colors from earthy tones to bright adventure-ready hues, this camper van doesn't just function well. It turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, Toyota has ensured performance is as impressive as the design. The 2026 Toyota camper van comes with a choice of two powertrains, a fuel-efficient hybrid system and a fully electric option for those wanting zero emissions. The hybrid combines a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, perfect for long-distance travel. For the electric model, you get an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge, with fast charging capability that gets you from 20% to 80% in under 40 minutes. Both versions feature Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring stability and control whether you're cruising on highways or exploring gravel roads in the mountains. With responsive steering, a comfortable suspension, and excellent noise insulation, driving the 2026 Toyota camper van is as relaxing as it is exciting. Inside, the 2026 Toyota camper van is where the magic truly happens. Toyota has transformed this space into a cozy, functional, and tech-savvy home on wheels. The interior features premium materials, soft-touch finishes, and clever storage solutions in every corner. At the front, you have comfortable captain's chairs that swivel around to face the living area when parked. The van's high roof design allows most adults to stand upright, adding to the feeling of spaciousness. The kitchen area is compact yet fully equipped, featuring a 2-burner induction cooktop, a sink with running water, a small refrigerator, and plenty of cabinets for food and utensils. A fold-out countertop extension gives you extra space for meal prep, and the built-in ventilation system ensures fresh air while cooking. Across from the kitchen, there's a cozy dining nook with a removable table that converts into a small bed if needed. Moving to the rear, you'll find the main sleeping area, a plush, fold-out bed that comfortably fits 2 adults. The van is equipped with blackout curtains and dimmable LED lighting, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere for rest. There's also a modular storage system underneath the bed for camping gear, suitcases, or sports equipment. One of the standout features of the 2026 Toyota camper van is its integrated bathroom module. It's compact but incredibly practical, featuring a toilet, a small shower, and a retractable sink. This makes the van perfect for extended trips where camp facilities aren't always available. The water system is powered by a built-in tank with both fresh and gray water storage, and it can be refilled at most RV stations. Toyota didn't skimp on technology either. The van comes equipped with a large infotainment display supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation optimized for RV travel, showing routes that accommodate larger vehicles. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging pads, and even a small inverter for plugging in laptops or small appliances make it easy to stay connected. The climate control system is specially designed for van life, with an efficient heating and cooling setup that works both on the road and when parked. Unique features really set the 2026 Toyota camper van apart from its competition. The roof houses a set of deployable solar panels, providing renewable energy for your appliances and electronics when you're off-grid. There's also a retractable awning on the passenger side, perfect for creating shaded outdoor living space. Integrated roof racks allow for carrying extra gear like kayaks, bikes, or surfboards. Additionally, Toyota offers an optional adventure pack that includes off-road tires, enhanced suspension, and extra underbody protection for those who love exploring the unbeaten path. Safety is another area where Toyota shines. The 2026 camper van comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. There's even a trailer sway control feature for those pulling additional cargo or small trailers. Overall, the 2026 Toyota camper van is more than just transportation. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It brings together Toyota's reputation for durability with the modern comforts and tech that travelers expect today. Whether you're a weekend camper, a digital nomad, or someone dreaming of cross-country adventures, this van can handle it all with style, efficiency, and reliability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 2026 Toyota camper van, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AutoVenta for more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. See you in the next one.